Engineers draw as a way of thinking. Their drawings will typically focus on detailed analysis of structures or systems that need to be designed or improved. Freehand sketches capture the conversations back and forth between engineer, architect, surveyor, client, and others in the design team, and will most often precede the production of CAD drawings in discussions and presentations during stages 2, 3, and 4 of a project.
Engineers make drawings because they need to communicate ideas. It's all about communication. You know, in the engineer's head, ideas emerge somehow. They come from wherever they come from, and unless we can put it down on a drawing, unless we can, whatever form of drawing, whether it's a very carefully engineered, precise drawing or whether it's a sketch, you're communicating an idea. It's also actually, I think, in terms of the sketching, it's a way of helping those ideas to come and to formulate.
People are often put off drawing because it seems to be something that you either can or can't do. In fact, everybody can draw and improve their drawings significantly at any stage of their lives. But it's a complex process that must be broken down into simple exercises that become meaningful through repeated iterations. With practice, you can express your ideas in ways that are plausible and satisfying.
I definitely use drawing to help me think. I say often, I can't think without a pencil in my hand. When I'm thinking, certainly on a design situation, I want to have a pencil in my hand because it helps me to sort of formulate my thinking. When I start, I mean, sometimes I've already got a very clear idea about what it is that the design wants to be, and usually, of course, you're working in teams anyway, so there's sort of ideas emerging. But it's not until you actually put a pencil on a line on the page that idea begins to take shape. It suddenly has a scale, it has a shape, it has a proportion. You know, you begin to formulate that. So it's kind of, I can't explain it physiologically, but it's as if you're thinking with your hand. You try this line, no, that doesn't quite look right, so you try that line, you know, and it's the way the form will evolve. I think there's a huge value in drawing, and I'm often saying this to young people, you know, not just young people actually, but particularly those young people who are so steeped in three-dimensional clever computing. Firstly, the obvious thing is the chances are you're going to be going into a meeting with your architect or your design colleague or your client or contractor, and you won't have your computer there. It's just a quick meeting and you've got to be able to explain an idea. And you know, you've got to do that with a bit of paper and pencil. There's no other way you can do that. But also, it's about that development of thinking. I don't believe that, you know, with a mouse and a keyboard it's the same. Some people are brilliant at it, but I really think in this day and age we must maintain that. And one of the things that we've got to be doing better is educating our young engineers in the ability to draw.